Welcome everyone. Ahmed Shukri, a Ruijie post-sales engineer. Today is a very special day because RuijieReyee has a big surprise for all of our clients. We are here to solve one of the biggest challenges, connecting your branches around the world. Now you might be thinking, haven't we done this before through VPN IPsec on our Ruijie gateways? You are absolutely right. But here's the catch. For customers using Ruijie 4G modems or private IPs or certain connections like Starlink or leased lines, traditional methods don't always work. What we are presenting today is a superhero solution called Any-Link, introduced by Ruijie Gateways. It is a powerful tool that ensures you won't have to worry about those issues anymore. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Don't worry, for RuijieReyee clients, what's coming next is a pure romance. For today's demonstration, we will be using two gateways. One of them is RG-EG105 GWT. This gateway supports VPN and also features a captive portal, or some call it as a hotspot. Others refer to it as a portal authentication, which can be done through voucher, account login, SMS, or registration through email, or a simple one-click option, all of which we have covered before. In addition to the VPN and the captive portal, these gateways offer several powerful features, including multi-WAN for load balancing across multiple WAN connections. Plus, they come with Wi-Fi 5 built in. So, for small offices or cafes, there is no need for extra access point or PoE switch. And that's not all. These compact gateways can block any unwanted application just in 5 seconds. Not just HTTP website or HTTPS websites, but any mobile application, thanks for their advanced firewall capabilities. The second gateway we are using today is a powerhouse, perfect for medium-sized business. It can support up to 300 concurrent clients. Along with all the features I have mentioned, it also integrates with external Radius server, which we will demonstrate later. Here, I have prepared 3 different WAN connections. 2 of them are standard DSL connections with public IPs, ISP1 and ISP2, while the third one is using a private IP, as it is connected to a 3G 4G modem. Each of these WAN connection is plugged into the WAN ports on our RuijieReyee gateways. And now we are ready. Now I'll use the RuijieReyee Cloud mobile application to add each gateway under my account in a different project by simply scanning the QR code. I'll speed up this process as we have already covered it in detail before. Now that we have added each gateway to its own project, let's dive into the most exciting part, setting up the SD-WAN, or what we call Ruijie Reyee Any-Link technology. Now we are on the home page. We have two products here, SD-WAN branch and the SD-WAN HQ. I'll go ahead and click on service. We will find the option for Any-Link. Let's click on that. And now we will create our first SD-WAN group. Give it a name, SD-WAN Any-Link. Press on OK. Now it's asking us to choose the type of connection. This is because we can connect multiple branches, each with different types of connections, depending on our needs. For now, I'll choose hotspot as our starting point and we click Next. At this point, you will notice it's only showing two gateways, even though I have several projects under my account. The reason for this is that only these two models support the Any-Link feature. I'll select the HQ and the branch. Press Next. Here you are asked to confirm which VLANs you want to bind on each site. If needed, you can add a new VLAN directly from this page by clicking the plus icon. For example, here in the HQ site, I will make HQ99 and it will be from the gateway and it will be VLAN ID 99. He changed the gateway directly and also he changed the segment. We press confirm, and for the branch I will create branch 88. Here it will be VLAN 88 and we press confirm. Finally, easiest part, just click create SD-WAN group. And there we go. It's done in just a few seconds. Now we click on view monitoring dashboard. We will see two options here, map view and diagram view. I'll start with map view since it is the default. An important note here, we can add the exact location of our devices by clicking the edit option, dragging your branches to their correct locations and confirming the move. You will get a message saying project location moved successfully. We can see now the connection between the branch and the HQ. Since the link is green, everything is running normally. If it were red, that would indicate a disconnection. We can also click on the link to get more information. To get a full screen view, click on this icon. If we want to change the theme, we can use this icon. Personally, I prefer the other theme. On this left side, we have two important sections, project health and bandwidth utilization. We will start with this one. We will press on details. We will find here project alarms and AI diagnostics. We will start with AI diagnostics. If there is an issue, it will show you exactly where, either on the HQ or branch side, and provide detailed information about the problem. We can check the HQ issue. We will press on details. Here, switch link issue. We will press on it and scroll down. For example, in this case, we see the port between the switch and the gateway is running at 100 megabit per second, even though it supports up to 1 gigabit. Without this unique AI test, we wouldn't have known about this issue without relying on third-party tools. Not only that, but AI diagnostics also offer powerful tests for your wireless network, like detecting weak roaming between access points, which used to be difficult to identify with older methods. Let's go back to the SD-WAN page. Under Project Alarms, we can click on Show Alarm to enable or disable specific alarms depending on our needs. We also have the option to export alarms and specify a date range. Next, we can check this bandwidth utilization. As I mentioned earlier, I have 3 WAN connections, 2 DSL connections with public IPs, and 1 4G modem with a private IP. By clicking on Configure, we can see the 2 WAN connections for SD-WAN HQ, and on the SD-WAN branch, there is only 1 WAN connection. If we click on this edit, we can easily set the uplink and downlink bandwidth thresholds for each connection. Move back. Now let's move to the networking icon. Here we can create a new SD-WAN group. Just click here, create, give it a name, and proceed as we did. Or just add more branches by clicking Add Project. But remember, only RuijieReyee gateways that support any link feature will appear in this list. If we want to change the topology type at any time, we just click on this icon. We can choose hub spoke or mesh or custom as we need. Next, we have patch configuration. For example, if I click on the SD-WAN HQ, patch deliver configurations, we will have many configuration options to choose from. Let's try configuring the captive portal. Press on it. Here, we will create our page, give it a name, HQ first. I'll choose one-click login. I'll allow the client to connect only 3 minutes, and maybe it will be twice per day. Scroll down. Here we find post login URL. I can add, for example, my channel for YouTube. Scroll down. Here I can choose another cover, depending on my needs. I can upload a new logo, or I can make the background a solid color. I can change the color of it. Even I can text a welcome text. We can change the font. Also, we can add advertisement, picture or video. Here we set the duration time, and here we allow the user to skip this advertisement or he must see it. If we want to change anything on the portal page, it's available for us. Once we are happy with everything, we will press on OK. Now we can give it a name, HQ first, policy. We will apply it on our VLAN 99, and now we will choose HQ first. Press on configuration preview. Finally, we press on deliver. We have finished. The last part, and one of the most exciting, is pre-configuration. It's very easy and very simple. Press on it. Create your first pre-configuration. We can give it a name like SD-WAN HQ. Then we will select the settings we need. For example, we could create a wireless SSID, VLAN 99. We will apply it for 2.4 GHz frequency and also for the 5 GHz. Without encryption, advanced. I can choose VLAN 99 as we created on the HQ side. then create your pre-configuration. We can apply the template using one of two methods. If we go back to the list, we will find here SD-WAN HQ. Here, a QR code. I will scan it now from my mobile application. We can check VLAN 99. We will connect to it. The one-click login and my YouTube channel. We succeeded, and that's it. We have successfully set up our SD-WAN. I hope you found it as straightforward as we did now. What we demonstrated today was a same country SD-WAN connection. In the next video, we will take it as a step further to connect branches between Egypt and Iraq. Our goal is to connect different branches across different countries. This will be done in collaboration with one of our biggest ADBs in Iraq, Smart Systems, who has installed numerous Ruijie devices in large-scale projects. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.